All right, we're looking at an SAT question this is a question that a lot of students have trouble with. We should be able to do this one with no trouble at all. So we have what we call a complex number divided by a complex number, and we have the answer written in general form here where A is going to be the real part and B is the imaginary part. Just like radicals, division is often handled using the conjugate. So the conjugate. So if you get a division question with these kinds of numbers, just use the conjugate. So take the original expression, 3 minus 2i, and multiply by 1. Multiply by 1 means multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate of 3 minus 2i is 3 plus 2i, and then make sure that's in the numerator as well. Wrap brackets around everything. Now you're just doing some basic arithmetic. You're expanding through. I will mention one thing though. In the question, I believe they tell you that I is equal to the square root of -1. Probably better to know that I squared is equal to -1. This can be used for substitution, so keep that in the back of your mind. Expand the numerator, expand the denominator. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2i is positive 16i. Negative I times 3 is negative 3i. And then negative I times positive 2i squared is negative 2i squared. Let's go to the denominator. So 3 times 3 is 9. And we know that the O and the I in FOIL are going to cancel, but I'll throw it in anyway. So 3 times 2 is 6, or 6i. And then the insides, that's going to be the negative version of that. That's why it works. And then negative 2i times positive 2i is negative 4i squared. Now I can do a little bit of substitution. So notice the I squareds, that's where you place in the -1. So upstairs here I've got 24, and I've got a 16 minus 3, which is a positive 13i. Negative 2, I squared is -1, so put that into the substitution. Over here, these cancel. That's kind of nice. That's good news. And the denominator is 9 minus 4 times -1. Coming to the next line, negative 2 times -1 is positive 2. 2 plus 24 is 26. Plus 13i in the denominator. A negative and a negative is a positive. So 9 plus 4 is 13. This is going to work out really well. It's a common denominator. So 26 divided by 13 is 2. 13 divided by 13 is 1i. And they wanted the a. The a was the real part, so the answer is 2.